Today, I'll just try to explain three terms for you, that is solute, solvent, and solution. To explain that, first I have taken a tumbler in which I have added water in it. Okay, here we have a tumbler with water. Now, into that, I have here sugar. I'm just adding a little bit of sugar into it, and let us just see whether water can dissolve sugar. So I'm adding sugar into water and just observe the change. Here, after adding sugar in water, we can see that sugar is completely dissolved in water, forming a sugar solution here. Now, why do we call it a sugar solution? I'll explain it to you. Sugar is the substance that dissolved, isn't it? So, the substance that dissolves is known as a solute. What is a solute? The substance that dissolves is known as a solute. Now, the substance in which the solute dissolves is the solvent. So, what was the substance here in which the solute sugar dissolved? It was water. Very good. So, water here acts as a solvent which dissolved the solute. And when a solute dissolves in a solvent, we get a solution. Now, what solution is formed here? It is sugar solution. When we add the solute sugar into the solvent water, we get sugar solution. Let us try to form more solutions. Okay, and find out the solute and solvent involved in those solutions. I have here salt. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of salt into the tumbler and little water into it. Okay. The salt which was added into the water dissolved completely. That means we have got a solution here. So what solution is this? This is a salt solution. So if this is a solution, that means it has two other parts also, a solute and a solvent. So what was the solute which was used here? Yes, it is salt. Salt is the solute and water is the solvent to form salt solution. I have here potassium permanganate and this is copper sulfate. Copper sulfate, we normally call it blue vitriol. Okay, blue vitriol is copper sulfate. So let us just try out whether we can form a blue vitriol solution or copper sulfate solution and potassium permanganate solution. I have taken two tumblers here. In these two tumblers, in one I'll add a little bit of copper sulfate powder. It is blue in color. Okay, you can see it. Copper sulfate is blue in color. Okay. Then let me take potassium permanganate. You might have seen potassium permanganate. It is almost violet in color. Okay, let us just see. In the first tumbler, we have copper sulfate, and the second tumbler, we have potassium permanganate. Let us see whether we can form solution of copper sulfate and potassium permanganate here by adding water. Remember, I'm adding water into it. Here we go. Here in this solution we have the solute copper sulfate or blue vitriol. Okay, it is the solute here and water is the solvent. And in the second tumbler, the solute is potassium permanganate, solvent is water, and this forms a potassium permanganate solution. Am I clear? Here we have the copper sulfate solution, here we have the potassium permanganate solution. Now I hope the terms solute, solvent and solution is clear to you. I'll give you more examples. At home, your mummy may prepare rice flakes for you, isn't it? So when mummy is preparing rice flakes, she normally adds jaggery solution into it, or jaggery syrup you can say. Now, how is the jaggery syrup or the jaggery solution formed? It is by mixing jaggery in water. So that means jaggery dissolves in water to form jaggery syrup or jaggery solution. So that means in jaggery solution, which is the solute? Jaggery is the solute because it dissolves. And which is the solvent here? Water, because jaggery dissolves in water, or you can say water dissolves jaggery. So in a jaggery solution, you have jaggery as a solute and water as a solvent. Now another good example I can give you. All of you may like this, isn't it? Your cola. It's very harmful to your health. Please don't use it. But for this, for explaining this, I'm using a cola bottle here. Now, when you open the soda bottle, you can see that the bubbles are coming out. What are these bubbles actually? Some gas is mixed there, isn't it? The name of the gas is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is mixed in water to form soda water. Now, when you give different colors, it becomes Coca-Cola, it becomes Mirinda, it varies. So, in a soda water, what is the solute? Correct. Carbon dioxide is the solute. You have water as the solvent because carbon dioxide is dissolved in water. In another way, water dissolves carbon dioxide to form soda water. Okay, so I have given you many examples. You can find out a lot of examples wherein you can find out the solute, solvent and solution. So I'll repeat again. Solute is a substance that dissolves. Solvent, the substance in which a solute dissolves. Solution is formed when a solute dissolves in a solvent. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.